Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to do a quick review for you on this Harvey's Plumber's Putty. If you do any type of work around your house at all, so if you're like a handy person, or of course, if you do plumbing regularly, um, well, if you do plumbing regularly, you probably already know all about the stuff and what you're looking for. But if you're like me and you do handy work around the house, I'd say, there's different types of things that you might want to consider while you're looking at types of plumbing seals. So a lot of times, like I'll use Teflon and end up with leak steel. So I recently just did one of my drains, and I used the Teflon, and it still leaks. So I had to go grab some plumber's putty to put on my threads and then tighten them up, and that made a big difference. So that's what actually sealed it. So, if you're looking for something that is fairly easy to use and does a good job, this Harvey's plumber's putty does a really good job, um, especially if you're having a problem with some of those Teflon leaks, like I mentioned earlier.